in Colorado. Doodah.
Hey folks, old guy here. Homages to Mrs. Old Guy. So tonight I'm going to make a strudel. I'd like to say that. Strudel. Gonna make strudel with the phyllo dough that I made yesterday or day before. So, boy, that was a pain. Okay, here's my sheets phyllo that I made. Looks like they've held out just fine. Some were bigger than others just because of the way I cut it. So let me get one of these bigger pieces here. Okay. So I'm just gonna give these a brush. Uh-oh, this is old guy. What did I forget?
Sugar?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm just brushing the butter on here. Give it a little shake of sugar. I've got some vanilla cake that I made. I'm just gonna crumble that up. I want some decent sized pieces here. I don't want it to be just powder. Give it some chunks, okay? Move on and grab another big one. I want to make sure that I got a decent base to this thing before I start adding some of the smaller ones. Go. So grab that, throw that on top. Looks like I'll have to get a piece of the other one. That's close enough. Butter. Okay, you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna get the rest of these layered on, and then when I gotta go on to the next step, I'll be back. Okay, now get one more sheet of this phyllo on there. I'm gonna just go ahead and get a little butter on it. Okay. Now for the filling. I've got some cream cheese here. I don't want to put a gob, but I do want to put a nice line down the inside here. Yum. This has got some powdered sugar and a little bit of vanilla. There you go. Now let's add some blueberries to that. This is a blueberry filling that I made from some frozen blueberries. If you're going to make your own topping to put in here like this, you're going to want to make sure you get it kind of extra thick. Just because it'll soften up as it bakes, and if it gets too loose, all your filling will just bubble out the end. You don't want that. Now the fun part. To roll the strudel. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? I'm going to get that onto a tray. I'm going to give it a brush with some butter. And I'm going to bake that at 400 degrees for around 15 minutes or so till they're nice and golden brown. I'll be back. Alright, there's that strudel. I gave it a little brush with some honey and butter when it came out of the oven. Sounds good so far. Let's cut a piece. looks really good. On a plate, that's just a little teaser. Really best to give these things some time to cool, but fresh out of the oven, they're nice too. Okay, gonna get another look at that. All right. So, give a taste of this here blueberry strudel. Let's give it a bite here. So far, so good. Phillio looks about average, maybe a little bit thicker than normal, but that's really nice. Getting a decent crunch from that outside layer. The rest of the inside is soft, tender. Good dessert. Well, that's it, everybody. I'm gonna get out of here. That's the end of this round of playing with Phillio dough. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time.